Hi, this video could be potentially very controversial if you are anti-crypto. I'll be hurting a lot of pro-USD or pro-fiat currency sentiments. If you aren't sure of cryptocurrencies and their existence, then simply don't watch this video. A disclaimer, I'm not by any means a financial expert or an economist. Due to the nature of work I am in, it's extremely important for me to form my own opinions, hence sharing them with you. First, let me share some research highlighting a few facts that we all know yet ignore when it comes to digital currencies. The report, I'll be leaving the link in description or comment box below, suggests that money laundering and cash have been the stock of criminals for decades. However, this is precisely what makes the findings of this research even more interesting. In spite of the changing face of criminality with significant threats now stemming from new technologies, money laundering schemes detected by law enforcement are still largely characterized by traditional techniques, in particular the use of cash. This research confirms that physical forms of fiat currency, not cryptocurrencies, are still the king when it comes to illicit commerce. So why are cryptos threat to USD? If I have to put my views in the most simplest way and to point towards one reason, then it's US versus China, or let me rephrase, adaptability of cryptocurrencies confirms the phrase majority is the authority. It's the power of people and or option given to people that will eventually make cryptos widely adopted. But please don't take me wrong, I'm not claiming that USD would be replaced by Bitcoin or cryptos. I'm only claiming mass adoption of cryptos, which is literally just a matter of time. The second reason is institutions now understand the importance of making quick progress in the area of developing cryptos. It's quite obvious why Bitcoin would rally so aggressively in this instance. As the most powerful man in the finance, and I'm not taking any names purposely, acknowledge the speed and scale in which digital currency could disrupt the dollar. The third reason is really compelling to me, at least, is crypto is about to become a mainstream technology for the world's second largest economy, China. China is planning to use blockchain in its Belt and Road Initiative. The fourth reason, which I am personally really excited about, is there are fairly hot news circulating around regarding high level of intellectual investment that the Federal Reserve is making into cryptocurrency. Fifth reason is that the world's currency markets need rebalancing. Let me elaborate on this one a bit more. The dollar has not always been the currency of choice. Until 1920, pound sterling was the world's reserve currency. There's a rapidly emerging group of people who believe that dollar's dominance has become a global problem. On the other hand, there is a huge majority of people who think that the power of dollar or its role in the world economy is not under immediate threat, or that radical change is a way of addressing the pressing economic issues at hand. Needless to say, I am from the former group of people who would urge economists and central banks to begin thinking longer term. While the real economy, the real global economy, is being reordered, the international monetary and financial systems had barely begun its transition. Conclusively speaking, even though, in my strong opinion, cryptocurrencies are threatening dollar's dominance, at the same time, cryptos are controversial to say the least, and the attitude of central bankers and economists is skeptical. However, there are certainly a handful of people, such as the governor of the Bank of England, that sees their potential. A digital currency could dampen the domineering influence of the US dollar on global trade, while building future financial architecture like disruptive technologies such as blockchain could displace the dollar's dominance with credit markets. If the world uses a digital currency for international trade and to access debt, then spillovers from the fluctuation in the US economy will be less severe. Plus, it would help minimize the dollar's induced volatility of capital flows in and out of the emerging economies that often cause crisis. Do you think cryptos can threaten the dominance of dollars? Please leave your comments in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.